Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Moza Najwa Ulifah. I'm grade 12, Science 1. Here, I want to present an explanation text of lunar and solar eclipses. Check it out. Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. When the Earth revolves around the Sun, Earth is called the Earth revolutions. And when the Moon revolves around the Earth, Earth is called the Moon's revolutions. The Earth, Moon, and the Sun can be in a straight line positions, the position of a straight line of the three objects. Straight line position when this celestial body can cause an eclipse. Eclipses can be divided into two, namely lunar eclipses and solar eclipses. Lunar eclipses. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth, Sun, and Moon are in a straight line. This event occurs at night during a lunar eclipse. The light of the Sun that should be received by the Moon is blocked by the Earth, so that the Moon is in the shadow of the Earth. There are two kinds of Earth shadow, namely the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is the darkest region of an image where the light source is completely blocked. The penumbra is the region where only part of the light source is blocked, which results in a blurred image, but not as dark as the umbra. There are various types of lunar eclipses, namely total lunar eclipses, partial lunar eclipses, and penumbral lunar eclipses. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon is right in the umbra or in the core shadow during a total lunar eclipse. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when the moon is between the umbra and the penumbra. This causes the moon to be partially visible or partially visible. A penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the moon is in the penumbra. There are three types of lunar eclipses: a penumbral lunar eclipse, a partial lunar eclipse, and a total lunar eclipse. Solar eclipses occurs because the sun's rays during the day are blocked by the moon, so that a very natural situation becomes dark. If there is a solar eclipse, the moon's shadow will surround the Earth because sugar is smaller than if a solar eclipse occurs. It can only be seen in certain places. Sun occurs when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are in a straight line. There are three types of solar eclipses, namely total solar eclipses, partial solar eclipses, and annular solar eclipses. A total solar eclipse is also called a perfect solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the shadow, the moon's core, falls to the Earth. This ellipse only occurs in arrays of a Earth's surface that are exposed to the shadow of the moon's core. A total solar eclipse always begins and ends with a partial solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse, a partial solar eclipse occurs when the Earth is in the penumbral shadow of the moon, and the time of this incident there is still a part of the sun. There is still a part of the sun that looks bright when the partial solar eclipse lasts longer than the total solar eclipse. This is because the penumbral shadow is wider than the core image. An example of a partial solar eclipse is an annular solar eclipse. This eclipse occurs when the distance of the moon's shadow to the Earth's surface is at its furthest point. As a result, the shadow of the moon's core cannot reach the Earth. The farthest point from the Earth when the sun shines in the form of a ring, while in the middle it looks blurry. Thank you for watching my video from start to finish. Hopefully it can be useful for all of you, and sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Bye.